My name is Charlene and Augustine. My metric number is H203A1540. Good morning, everyone. Today I will present Chapter 9 Communication from the Organization Behavior Textbook. Communication is a key part of every organization. It is how we share information, give feedback, and rebuild relationship. In this presentation, we will go over the communication process, types of communications, but variance, media reaches, and communication skill or style. Let's go with how the communication process working. Communication is simple the transformation of information to recreate sharing understanding. These basic steps are encoding, sending the message, decoding and give feedback, but along the way, noise can interact. It's included distraction, misunderstanding, or even poor word choice. For example, if I send a message by email, but my tone is misunderstanding, that's noise. Effectively, communication requires clearing, including, and active feedback to ensure the message is received as intended. There are three main types of communication. One, verbal, second, non-verbal, and lastly is writing. Verbal is what we are doing now, talking in real life. Non-verbal is including body language and face expression and gestures. Writing communication including things like email or report. It is important to remind that verbal intonation, like stress on certain word, can change the minds or the meaning internally. And do not forget active listening. This means really focus, giving feedback and reaction appropriately. Good communication is clear, concise, and consistent, and consider the audience. If someone writing a long, confusing message, even with a good intention, with a good intonation, the meaning may be lost. So, always think, is the message easy to understand? Is it relevant? This is the key to success. Communication variable. Variable can come from many sources like cultural difference, language, or even technology. In a low context cultures, people can say actually what that means. In the highest context cultures, you need to read between the lines. To overcome variable, we can first train employers in communication and listening skill. Second, offer cross cultural education. Next is communication structure to avoid distraction. Next is media readiness. Media readiness refer to how well a communication methods can carry important clues. Face-to-face communication is the richest, is including voice, body language, and immediately feedback or emotionally tones. Email are the less rich. There are no body language. So, choosing the right medium based on how complex and emotional this message is. Next is communication skill or style. There are two minds communication orientation, task oriented, which focus on interaction and productivity, and relationship oriented, which build trust and comprehension. There are also different styles. First, positive. Next is aggressive. Third is positive aggressive. To warm up, effective communication is not just about talking. It is about listening, choosing the right medium, and adapting to your audience. Think about your own communication style. What can you improve? Are there variables you face often? We hope this gives you a better understanding how communication really works in organization. Thank you. Thank you for listening.